Good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. We have another listing guys. A total of 5,100 square meters located in Sirao, Cebu City, a mountain barangay in the city of Cebu. Approximately 30 minutes drive more or less from the main city. So 30 minutes meaning it's around from Palamba na pasabot na ko guys. Because or depends upon moagi ka Lahog, pwede or Busay kaagi or diri ka sa may Talamban. So it's a rolling terrain overlooking and good for farming and residential house development. So pwede ni siya guys himuon nimong kanang vacation house. So it's a big property. This is the property. So the neighborhoods are their neighborhood. Then ano sila guys, no? Then kuansan ni sila is part of the owner, no? But they have already an extrajudicial settlement. That is why there are 3 owners of this 5,100, because the total size of the area is 1.7 hectares plus. So 17,000 square meters kapin. Then they are 9. So siyam kabuk sila igsuon. So actually it's really a titled property, no. Murag ila na ninggi before magod ato naman ninggi vlog. Then murag ilat patong ikalang-kalang, murag but pasabot murag na sila sabot-sabutan nga kuan. Pero now one of the year contacted me that kanang ilan na kuno jung ipa-survey. So that is why they have a share. It's at around 1,700, but they are selling the 3 shares adjacent na mao na nahitabo. Pero siguro kung usa ra gyud or 2 ka share, pero murag duha man gyud ang minimum aning ibaligya, ihangyo sa ring isa ipabaligya sa apil man natulon na ni Juni ka share. So depende na lang guys, no, if ever, no, usa ra ba ka share o kuan, nagdepende na lang. Pero most probably ang duha gyud ka share ang pwede, o di ni mo mahurot ang 5,100 square meters. So actually the soil is good, water nindot sad, no, magdig if you can dig. Naay nakita nako diri mga gipangkalot, they get water, so they are digging. So mao na kasagaran if you can dig a well or just digging a well, then signal is good, no problem, no. Electricity, there's no problem with electricity. So recently it is planted with corn, kanang gitawag sweet corn, or you can plant vegetables or kuan flowers. Usually gaman good guys ang uban diri mananom gyud mga bulak or flowers, because especially hapit na ang kuan November, adlaw minatay ana ba. So mo na gyud guys, no. So nibalik tag Cebu City pod due to the kuan request of my friend, no, living in Cebu City. Mo na nga natay listing Cebu City. So pili-pili lang ka Cebu City or Bohol. Tabok-tabok ko naman just 1 hour raman good guys, ocean jet gikan sa amo. So nindot kayo ni guys nga property. So if you are planning to have an exit point ba sa imong trabaho, like in Cebu City, crowded dito, so kapoy ka dito, so there are flowers o kanang gitawag manig orchids na sila diha, mamaligya sila ana guys. Nindot guys mga flowers kung po diri Bugnaw ba, Bugnaw ang location. Ay mga papaya, nindot lang papaya, mubo nya kini siya part pa man ni siya property, pero dili na ibaligya dito sa ibabaw lapit ni gawas nimo. It's already a concrete road all the way to the city guys. Mo ni na kanito transportation, you need to have your own car or motorcycle. But there are still schedule of minibuses. Schedule na yung mga minibus nga public transportation no sulod diha. So mao ni barato sa ni siya no, 1,200 pesos per square meter. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Then you can click my website www.propertyph.net. Okay, just click propertyph.net and properties now. Click for properties. Thank you.